How often have you typed something into Word to then realise that actually it's all the wrong case? If you've ever thought that you need to backspace or delete the whole lot and type it in again, I've got great news for you. You don't need to. Word has options that will let you fix this quickly and easily. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life that little bit easier. Here I am in a Microsoft Word document. I'm using the full desktop version. Sadly, it's only available here. If you prefer to use the web version, you're going to have to type it or move over to the desktop. So the option that I'm talking about is called Change Case. And of course, this is Microsoft. There's multiple ways of doing it. The two easiest ones to use are either the shortcut key or the button on the ribbon. So I have got a sentence already typed out and I'm going to select it. The button on the ribbon is Change Case, and as I click on there, it then drops down and gives me all the options. So sentence case will not make a difference because it's already a sentence case. That means the first letter of the first word is capitalized, everything else is lowercase. I can make it all lowercase, so you'll see that the T in that at the beginning is now lowercase. Likewise, I can of course make it capitals, uppercase. I can also capitalize each word. So you can see in this example, the first letter is now a capital. Now if I go back to sentence case, you'll see all of those additional capitals are fixed. Now the last one is one that you don't necessarily need, it's toggle case. So why don't you need that? Well, if I switch my caps lock on, which I don't recommend unless you really do need to type a lot in capital, this is that doesn't do anything. But if I forget that I've got it switched on and I type the same thing, the standard Microsoft Word is set up to fix that problem and switch it off as soon as you finish typing the first word. If I manually mistype this, which can be a bit harder, you can see that if you do manually do it, it won't automatically fix it. However, if I now select this and go into toggle case, you can see it automatically switches for every letter, every character, the different case. What was lowercase becomes capitals and vice versa. So that last one's quite useful if you do make a mistake and you're typing with the caps lock on without realizing it, which people do. You can quickly and easily fix that. I've done that through the ribbon button, but as I said, there is also a shortcut key, and that is Shift and F3. So let's do Shift and press F3, and you can see I can toggle through all the options to get to whichever one I need. If you're on a full keyboard, that should be fairly straightforward, but remember, if you're on a laptop keyboard or a smaller keyboard of any type, you may have the function key. Make sure and test that the function key is enabled or disabled based on your device so that those F keys at the top actually function correctly. This isn't an option that you'll use all the time, I hope, but on those odd few occasions, it can be really useful. If you agree with me, I'd love you to click that thumbs up button for this video. And if you'd like to be told as new videos become available on my channel, remember to subscribe and click that notification bell. Bye for now.